I've seen before. When I lead you to the dance floor, you should know I hope for more. There's a side of me I don't know if I'm willing to let go, if I seem to be distracted.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. John here, you're on the Sky One Videos channel. We had a car meet over here in Clayton. We lost the venue. They wouldn't say why, but we think it was people revving their engines, doing burnouts and stuff. So if you come to these meets, please be respectful. And my friend Lou, I don't know if you've seen his car. He gave me a ride in this before, but he had a wrap on it. It's like orange. This is the original color. I like the original color. This is the, it's a ZL1, but this is the 1LE package. So this has got the suspension, racing suspension and everything. It's pretty loud. And his wife has one also. His wife Lisa has one. They both have all the bars and stuff inside. But anyway, yeah, it's pretty good turnout here today.
I will not put on a show. Time flies when you chase it. Just find a way to ignite it. Ever since we parted, I've been trying to ignore all the racing that you started. They don't bring me down no more. I'm just trying to find some control of the mess here in my head. If I'd only cared for your soul, we'd be lovers now instead.
We weren't sure how many people were going to show up because, you know, new venue and there's other stuff going on today. So, but it seemed to be a pretty good turnout. This is LKQ Parts Warehouse. Man, this place is.
Just find a way to ignite it. Time flies when you chase it. Just find a way to ignite it.
Short little video. Thanks for checking in. Have a great day.